Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are making delightful coffee roti boy with the normal bread available at your home. It's perfect for breakfast or you can have it as a snack. Let's see how to do it. So first let's make the coffee butter for this recipe. Into a bowl add some butter and sugar. Mix it really well. Into that add 1 egg. Mix it. Add some all-purpose flour. And mix some instant coffee powder with some water and add it into the mixture. Mix it really well. Once the coffee is well mixed with the butter mixture, transfer that into a piping bag. Now take some bread slices. You can directly add the coffee butter mix onto the bread slices, but here I am sandwiching the bread with some cheese. Now spread a generous amount of the coffee butter mixture on each slice of bread. Now transfer this onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper and bake this at 170-degree preheated oven for around 20 minutes. Once it's done, let the toast cool for a few minutes and look at that beautiful coffee crust. Enjoy your homemade coffee roti boy toast, perfectly crispy on the outside and soft on inside. Delicious. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tasty recipes.